Okay, it's time for the 2012 potato harvest. First year we got 14 pounds, last year we got 8. Let's see what a drought year brings. They were planted April 2nd. Now the tops are dead. Just chop them off, or pull them off if they've dried. Get them out of my way. Look at that. I got a pea growing in there. Maybe I'll dig that out and replant it later. Peas will grow again in the fall. Here we go. Let's see what it looks like. Maybe, could be, should be. Look at that. Absolutely nothing. Nothing in the hill. Oh, that one gave it up. That one rotted. Whoo! That stinks. Okay. Well, it didn't do any good to hill it up this year. I didn't get any extra potatoes. But look at that. There's one. Here they come. I used russet potatoes this year. There they come. Nothing like a fresh potato. Here they come. Oh, more rotten. More rotten. Look at that. Choo! Stinky, rotten potatoes. Oh, maybe it was the heat. Let's see. There we go. Some nice ones. Gonna get one meal, maybe. Maybe two. Let's see. Looks like about like last year, maybe 8 pounds. Lots of rotten. Lots of rotten. If we had smell-o-vision, you'd really appreciate the rotten. Yeah. I think that's about it. Doesn't look like we're gonna eat all winter on those potatoes. Sorry folks, not a great year. One meal. Now we're gonna replant this garden bed with fall vegetables. Got some lettuce, kohlrabi, cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli. Gonna do some radishes again this fall. Add a little mushroom compost in this bed, and it's August 17th, and we should get some fall crops in. Come on in and get your fall crops.